Hi, this video is all about differential. Okay, what it is and how it works. Let's use this is a Lego a 90-degree differential. And as you see, the car can make the turn with without problem. Okay? How it works and how it is constructed. I will use a contraption that I made for this video with Lego. Here is a fixed drive, two wheels fixed by a common drive, and in this manner the car can rotate. It's difficult to make it rotate. Okay, how can I make it to rotate? The first thing, I have to split the axle like this. Okay, I now the two wheel can turn individually, independent of each other. Okay, now how the motor can drive these axles if I have one motor? Let's try by using this stick, this spoke, and this spoke right here. Okay, now the both wheel can turn by driving this spoke. Let's use a structure like this one to rotate both wheels at the same speed. See by yourself. Yes, this is a motor that is translating. But see, if I have a turn and this wheel stuck, all the other wheel can't move. How can I make it? Let's put something that pivot right here. Here is this structure that can pivot right here. Okay, it's the same, but now I can make the pivot. Okay, let's try again. Right again, the motor are running. Okay, let's make this, and then the motor can now rotate. But see, if it passes, then it cannot rotate the wheel. And how can I make it work? Now I will do like this. Okay, now I have a split, a crossbar that rotate in its axle. Let's see again and see how it works. Okay, one. Okay, it's good. Let's see, it can turn. I will try to put this one, and then it will continue to rotate another axle. See? Okay, see by yourself. Okay, all right, man. This is the very concept of the differential. Okay, let's make another constructing to imitate this. You see that this structure translate like this and can rotate in axles. Okay, in axles. Let's put this structure like this that will imitate this. Okay, its spikes rotate, and it can rotate it too. Okay, let's see. and mount this structure and see it working. Okay, right, like this and like this. Okay, but see, now I have one gear right here that is substituting these gears. Okay, but I have to have a gear here too. Let's make it. Let's substitute these spokes by these, by these gears right here. Okay, right here in that position right here, and okay, and the other one in that position right here, and make the adjustment so that we can rotate both wheel and okay, like, see, not almost there. Let's see, I have a structure, one here, and another one right here, like this, man. Okay, that's it. Let's see if everything is working fine. Yes, and here is the differential, man. A translation movement, two rotation, a translation one and a rotation one. Okay, this is where the motor must run, right here, man, so that when I run this one and the other can run too, and the spoke is rotating again. Okay, and that's it, a differential, man. Let me show you the similarity of this two structure, man. Okay, what you see here is like this, man, in that position. Let me show you. Yes, right here. This spoke is that spoke, and these two gears are that gear too, man. And that structure here are made by this structure in my contraption. And that's it. Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoy this video. Bye for now.